Welcome. Today we'll be exploring key questions and practical concepts in electrical installations, CAD drafting, and wiring symbols. Let's get started.
First, what is CAD? Computer-aided design uses computer software to create, modify, and optimize drawings, replacing manual drafting. CAD has major advantages. It ensures greater accuracy, much faster drawing production, easy revisions, and professional quality output. AutoCAD Electrical is perfect for this. It has built-in standard symbol libraries. There is automatic wire numbering. It features smart component tagging. Creating a ladder diagram involves inserting a ladder framework, accessing the icon menu for symbols, and drawing connecting wires. Popular software includes AutoCAD for general schematics, ePlan for industrial control, and PC Schematic for building electrical installations. Moving to symbols. A general symbol represents a family of items. A qualifying symbol adds specific identifying information to it. A component symbol specifically represents one exact item, like a DC motor. A block symbol represents an entire assembly of items. In standard drawings, a DC motor is an M in a circle, and ground is a vertical line meeting a downward triangle. What makes a good conductor? It should be low cost, highly conductive, highly flexible, and have sufficient mechanical strength. A cable has three main parts: the conductor for current flow, insulation to prevent shocks, and a protective outer covering. Conductors are classified into two major types: bare conductors for overhead lines, and insulated conductors for indoor wiring. The difference between a wire and a cable? A wire is a bare, uniform conductor. Any conductor provided with insulation is a cable. In electrical layout diagrams, the Legends section lists and explains any special symbols and conventions used for correct interpretation. A distribution diagram visually represents how power flows from main switches down to distribution boards in a local community or factory.
On these plans, specific architectural symbols represent single door swings, double doors, sliding doors, and different types. Let's talk about switching. Two-way switching controls a single light fitting from two different positions, like on a staircase landing.
Intermediate switching is used when a light fitting needs to be controlled from three or more separate positions along a corridor. Why use stranded cables? Stranded cables are made of multiple thin wires, which significantly increases the flexibility of the entire cable.
Besides flexibility, stranded cables provide ease in handling, facilitate easier joints, and prevent complete breakdowns if a single strand breaks. To prevent shocks, ensure strong insulation and use low-voltage transformers. Common accessories include: when physically joining cables, electricians commonly use the Western Union twist splice, the branch or T-joint, and the pigtail joint.
Finally, soldering. This is the act of uniting metals using an alloy with a lower melting point to ensure a firm grip. Soldering is necessary. It makes the joint 95% mechanically strong and 100% continuous. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow at Chevatech for more.